This video, we are talking about these bad boys, camp blankets. Now, okay, this one is a poncho. This one is an old kind of army blanket that's been remade, thank you to Stuff It Outdoors, and into a lovely, lovely warm poncho with hand pockets. And it's got a lovely hood to keep my head nice and warm when I'm sitting around the campfire. So why am I talking about camp blankets? Well, recently, over the past couple of months, I've attended some SASU unit events with Bush Scout. I've done some county events, I've done quite a few district events, and last weekend I was at my son's district beaver sleepover event, and no one had a camp blanket badge, bar one or two leaders. So it got me thinking, are these camp blanket badges a thing of the past? Do we not do them anymore? Because I go to events, there might be one or two leaders having a blanket, sitting around the campfire, or ponchos, and I'm standing out like a sore thumb in the crowd because I'm the only one with my blanket badge. So if we don't have camp blanket badges, why do we do these? Why do we give young people camp blanket badges when no one has a blanket badge? And we tell them, don't sew these on your uniform. So what's the point? A few weekends ago, my group, we went for an all-section camp down at Packard, and the cub leader was talking about camp blanket badges. And Arcala was explaining to the young people, particularly the cubs, what is the point of a camp blanket badge if you're not allowed to sew them on your uniform. Arcala explained camp blanket badges are just like your kitchen fridge magnets. We buy magnets and put them all over our fridges. Okay, some people like it, some people don't, but the majority of us buy those magnets to remind ourselves, oh, we went to Blackpool Tower, oh, we went to this zoo or whatever. So every time we go to the fridge, those memories pop back of that really fun family day out that we had with Nan and Granddad, or maybe it was a birthday treat. And that's exactly what a camp blanket is about. So I have a whole load of different badges. This is my new poncho, so it's a bit empty, yeah? But all these badges represent memories and things like that. So I've got a St. John's Ambulance Badger. That was my club that I was in. I wasn't in Beavers, I wasn't in Cubs, I wasn't in Scouts, I was in St. John's Ambulance. Scout Radio, I love Scout Radio. My friend Ben went to Florida. He knows I'm a big Goofy fan, so he got me a Goofy badge. Ghostbusters, what else have we got on here? We've got Bear Grylls' badge, never give up. That's my kind of personal motto. Something else I overheard someone talk about and suggest. Let me grab my camp bag. Is maybe not have a blanket, maybe have a bag that you attach all your badges to. Therefore, you can carry this around as well. And I get asked quite often, is there a particular way to do a camp blanket? Am I only allowed to put official badges on? Can I put on unofficial badges that make no sense at all, like this? I'm a tea monster. I love tea. This sums me up. I did a vlog about this a while ago. Camp blankets, it's yours. There's no POR. There's no rules. There's nothing. You put the badges on that you want to put on. Put them on where you want. I've seen leaders have them all straight, all in particular lines. Mine is here, 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 here. Some people glue, some people sew. My sewing skills aren't the best, so whatever. It's your blanket. It's my poncho. I will do what I want to do. But should these come back? Yes. I love it. Sitting around the campfire, put my blanket on, nice and cozy, maybe even put my hood up. This one's nice because you can put it down and have a little snooze or look like Darth Maul or whatever from Star Wars. If you don't want to have a blanket, get a bag. But what I think we need to do is introduce this at the younger sections. Maybe squirrels are a bit too young to understand, but I definitely think we should introduce that into beavers. I've seen beaver colonies, once you invest that young person, they give them a blanket at the same time as well. So scout leaders, just think about it. We give young people camp blanket badges, but tell them do not put them on your uniform, but they don't have a blanket. So these are just a pointless waste of money.